Good morning, everybody. It's raining outside. Fine weather. Let's start the class. All friends are welcome. I am Subhenjit. Today we will revise time and work from basic to higher level. All questions are collected from previous year. Please follow the concept. Then everything will be okay. Let's see the question. A does 20% less work than B. If A can complete a piece of work in 7.5 hours, then B can do it in, okay, 7.5 hours equal to 7.5 equal to 15/2, okay. Let in a given time B does whole work. B does whole work 1. Then A does 20% less. Then A does 1 into 20% less equal to 80/100, okay. 0 0 8/2 4, 10/2 5 equal to 4/5. We get B dash 1, A dash 4/5. We know ratio of work done by A and B equal to inverse ratio of time taken by A and B. It is basic concept, okay. Then we can write 4:5. 4/5 is to B dash 1. Inverse time 2/15 is to 1/x. Here B can do in x hours, okay. Then 4/5 equal to 2/15 into x/1, then 2x/15. We get x equal to 4/5 into 15/2 equal to x. 15/5 3, 4/2 2. Then we get x equal to 6. Answer is C, 6 hours, okay. Let's see the second question. 10 women can complete a work in 8 days and 10 children take 12 days to complete the work. Question is, how many days will 6 women and 3 children together take to complete the work? Okay. Here 10 women can complete a work in 8 days. We can write 10 women 1 day's work. 1 day's work 1/8. Okay. Then 1 woman's 1 day's work is 1/8. 8 by 10 equal to 1 by 18. And 10 children take 12 days to complete the work. Same we can write one child's one day's work 1 by 120. Okay. Then we get one woman's 1 day's work 1 by 80, one child's 1 day's work 1 by 120. Then we can write 6 women plus 3 children 1 day's work 1 day's work equal to 1 by 80 into 6 by 80 plus 3 children 1 by 20 into 3, then 3 by 120 by 2, 3 by 2, 40, 120 by 3, 40, then LCM 40, 3 by 1, 4 by 40 equal to 1 by 10. Then we get 6 women and 3 children 1 day's work 1 by 10. Then question is, how many days will 6 women and 3 children together take to complete the work? Just opposite 1 by 10. Answer is 10. 1 by 10 opposite 10. Answer D. Okay. Let's see the third question. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 8 days, while B and C together can do it in 12 days. All the three together can complete the work in 6 days. Question is, in how much time will A and C together complete the work? Okay. Here all the three together can complete the work in 6 days. Then we can write A plus B plus C 1 day's work 1 by 6. Okay. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 8 days. Then A and B together 1 day's work is 1 by 8. Then C's 1 day's work. C's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. LCM 24, 4 by 3 equal to 1 by 24. This is C's 1 day's work. Again, B and C together can do it in 12 days. A plus B plus C, 1 day's work, 1 by 6. Then we can write B and C's 1 day's work is 1 by 12. B plus C, 1 day's work, 1 by 12. Then we get A's 1 day's work. Then A's 1 day's work. A's 1 day's work will 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. Okay? LCM 12, 2 minus 1, 1 by 12. Here we get C's 1 day's work, 1 by 24, A's 1 day's work, 1 by 12. Then we get C plus A, 1 day's work, 1 by 24, plus 1 by 12. LCM 24, 1 plus 2, 3 by 24. Okay? 24 by 3, 1, 8. So we get C plus A, 1 day's work, 1 by 8. Okay? The question is, in how much time will A and C together complete the work? Just answer is opposite. 1 by 8, opposite 8 days. Answer A. Okay? Let's see the question number 4. A and B together can complete a work in 3 days. Okay? They start together, but after 2 days, B left the work. If the work is completed after 2 more days, B alone could do the work in. We can write A and B together can complete a work in 3 days. Then we can write A plus B, 1 day's work, 1 by 3. Okay? But after 2 days, B left the work. So, they do 2 days. A plus B's 2 days work, 1 by 3 into 2, 2 by 3. Okay? Then, remaining work is 1 minus 2 by 3. LCM 3, 1 by 3. This is remaining. B left the work. So, remaining work is done by A in 2 days. Okay? Yep. If the work is completed after 2 more days, here A plus B is 2 days work, 2 by 3. A's 2 days work, 1 by 3. Then we can write B's 2 days work, Okay. 2 by 3 minus S today's work 1 by 3. LCM 3 1 by 3. This is B's today's work. Then we can write B's 1 day's work 1 by 3 divided by 2 1 by 6. Okay, the question is B alone could do the work. The answer is 1 by 6 opposite 6 days. Okay, answer B. Let's see the next question. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 12 days and 18 days respectively. A begins to do the work and they work alternately one at a time for 1 day each. The whole work will be completed in, working on alternate days. Then we can write A plus B. Today's work, 2 days work, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18. Okay? First day dash A, second day dash B. Then A plus B is today's work 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18 equal to LCM 36. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 by 36. This is A plus B's today's work. Now A plus B's 14 days work will be 5 by 36 into 7, because 14 by 2 7 equal to 35 by 36. Okay, it is just less than 36 by 36 means 1. Okay, there is no rule. You have to find out which number you can multiply 5 by 36 and product is just less than 1. Now remaining work is 1 minus 35 by 36 equal to 1 by 36. This is remaining work. But who will do the remaining work? Answer is, it is A's turn, because 14 days. 14 is a even number. 14 is an even number. A's turn is an odd, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 15, etc. Then A will complete the remaining works 1 by 36 divided by A's 1 day's work 1 by 12. Then 1 by 36 into 12. 36 by 12, 3. So, remaining work will be done by A in 1 by 3 days. The question is, whole work will be completed in. Then answer will be 14 plus 1 by 3. The answer is 14 and 1 by 3. Okay? Answer is A. Let's see the next question. A certain number of men complete a piece of work in 60 days. If there were 8 men more, the work could be finished in 10 days less. How many men were originally there? Number of men originally there, just apply a short tricks. This is x into d1 minus d2 by d2. X is how many men were more. Okay. So x equal to, if there were 8 men more, x equal to 8 into d1 is number of days of fast they can complete the work. Then d1 equal to 60 minus d2 is less number of days. Then d2 equal to 10 by 10. Then 8 into 50 by 10. 50 by 10, 5. Answer is 40. B. Okay. Let's see the next question. If 4 men working 4 hours per day for 4 days complete 4 units of work, then how many units of work will be completed by 2 men working for 2 hours per day in 2 days? Okay, given M1 equal to 4 men, 4. D1 4 days, D1 equal to 4. Okay. T1 4 hours per day, T1 4. Okay. Work W1 equal to 4 units of work, 4. M2 equal to 2 men, 2. D2 equal to in 2 days, 2. Okay. T2 2 hours equal to 2. W2 let x. Then we can apply the formula. This is M1 into D1 into T1 into W2, not W1, equal to M2 into D2 into T2 into W1. M1 equal to 4 into 4, T1 4 into W2 X equal to M2 2 into D2 2 into T2 2 into W1 4 4 4 2 2 4. Okay, 4 by 2 2. Then 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. The answer is C. Okay. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel to continue. Okay.